everybody, this is just a reminder, we have a free $50 giveaway when we reach 1,500 subscribers. Please hit the like and subscribe button so we can make more fun, entertaining content for you. Thank you. For today's adventure, we'll be visiting 100 Acres Manor, a haunted attraction south of Pittsburgh with multiple themes in and outside of a haunted house, some food vendors, an outside bar, and multiple merchandise areas. This haunted house is in the middle of a park that can be kind of muddy, so this year they changed the parking where you park in an actual parking lot, and they will pick you up and ship you all the way to the haunted house for free. So there is free parking here. So here we can see the bar to our right, and one of the entrance lanes. When you walk up to this little mini castle, that's where you buy your tickets. When you walk into the main area, the VIP is where that little pumpkin arch is. There's a photo up there with a nice demon. And to your far right is an extra haunted house called the Maze. Here we have the first of our snack areas. Notice the word snacks really big. We just had basic food, soft pretzels, nachos and cheese, hot dogs, cookies, candy, and some drinks. I was really hoping for Halloween-themed food, but they didn't have it. And I have to say, I don't think I like that. I got there at sundown, purchased my tickets, and got into the very front of the line, which had already filled up very quickly. There were multiple sections and multiple holding pens, but I got there early, so I had to wait for an hour to get in there. I tried to contact them to get a behind-the-scenes tour and to get media permission, but they wouldn't let me film anything inside the haunted house, which was actually a very good haunted house. So I will describe to you everything that I saw. As you enter this haunted house, they take your tickets, put you in a holding pen, and then describe to you the details of what you can and cannot do. You then immediately start walking down some very, very tight hallways. Keep in mind that this is very, very tight, small hallways and rooms, so if you're claustrophobic or you don't like a lot of strobe lights, you might not like this because there were a lot of those as well. My first problem with this haunted house was they were trying to scare me a lot, okay? I don't know if I like that. Moving on to the theming was excellent. Every room was detailed, expertly themed, just very nicely done, but very tight spaces. There were a lot of scare actors in every room. Another thing that I loved about this haunted house was there were tons of animatronics, big, small, and medium, and even the animatronics were scary. There was several different themes, from the general rotting corpses to clowns. There was traditional Halloween areas, a sort of biodome section with aliens and that sort of thing, and even a frozen section. This haunted house also had inside and outside areas that you walk through and some water features, so be prepared to be outside. All in all, this is one of the scariest haunted houses I've been to, and I would highly suggest going to it. There were also some nicely themed areas right outside the door of the haunted house, such as this area here, where you can stand and take a photograph in front of a nice gnarly pumpkin, and wait for Lucifer to cast a spell on you. Look at that. After all that excitement, I decided to go get something to eat and went over to the other food truck area called Fat Boy. Now, Fat Boy had some interesting eats here. There were different types of gyros and meat, mixed with Asian cuisine, quesadillas, steak sandwiches. So I decided to get the Zinger Gyro, which was $8. The Zinger Gyro consisted of your choice of meat, steak, chicken, or lamb, with an Asian sauce, lettuce, tomato, onions, and the regular condiments that you get on a gyro. There it is, the Zinger Gyro. I have to say this was a very good treat. It was very good, the sauce was interesting, it was very juicy, and it was freshly made. I would get this again, thought it was a little pricey, but it was really good. I'd probably give this 4 out of 5 stars. So it's definitely something I would eat again. Our next eating venue was the Straub Scream Bar. This was a haunted, scary zombie bar where you can get wine and spirits. It was also a little club where you can dance and hang out and listen to some music. So it was a really cool place to hang out before or after the haunt.
Break up and make up at Jacob's, baby. I'm transport too.
You go ahead and start. At the count of 3, I want everybody in the place to be to make some noise if you're down with me. 1, 2, 3.
This next section is about merchandise, and there were 2 sections of merchandise. The first was this post-mortem pop culture gift shop. They had really cool collectibles. They had masks and Funko Pop figures. They had Loungefly bags and Halloween cutouts. Satanic purses and cups and mugs and all kinds of cool things. This next merchandise section was the actual gift store for 100 Acres Manor. Inside we had various types of collectibles. We had t-shirts, hoodies, plastic cups, travel mugs, and shot glasses. You can see the prices here. These had some really nice graphics on it, so if you're really into haunted houses and collectibles, this would be a nice collectible to take home with you. So that's my review of 100 Acres Manor. Please hit like and subscribe so I can bring you more fun, entertaining content. Thanks again, and bye-bye, Satan.